All right, good afternoon once again to Sober TV. Na yɛne mo bɛdi nkɔmmɔ bi ɛnora Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛwɔ Pajo Park ɛde Namoro FC akyi ɛka fam by 4 goals to 0. Then come 2 goals no, so 4 goals to 0 goes from Kalu Watara, Richmond Lamptey, and Abrantia FN Bernard Somwa enye asabketwa ewo ho na chese wo si fom pa chese wo tenetino mapo mu Kotoko mrantie ne momo so 4-0 na game no baby ya hwebi na ye de mu nchirechire mu ba ye be break game ne down. There were positives, so today we are looking at 6 positives from the game. Asante Kotoko boy against baby and Gold Stars. You meet me at 3 crab 6, no, but the positives, no, and bro. And in the game, this was the lineup. Asante Kotoko team goalkeeper, if any Moise Poitier and a dark post, no. Now when you're guesting a Japan, say about the right back position. Now O2M not just when you're branch here, your friend Nicolas Osebon's left back. When you're Dawuni Jaja Kotoko signing from Susubribi on the Justice Blay 4-5 and then Asante Kotoko. Now Oba midfield Sharif Mohammed, midfield trainer Sharif Mohammed, Sakura man. Now when you're brand here friend Shadrach Ado and then Richmond Lamptey. Up front Enoch Morrison. Now when you're George Infege and a Kalu Watara. When Mrante changes by Emma Richmond Opoku Dembele Ebesia Kanibi Bernard Somwa by Nicholas or say Nicholas Mensa Ebe Mubi Emma later Bernard Somwa Maboni Dio by Emma Sharif Mohammed defender or also Ebesia Kanibi Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko enti the Ohonon Steve Mukwala Munyana Niadia. Now as I catch us and open say friendly game no omo ball. The game against Karela on board most of the partner Bobby because non person the build the match fitness of a more channel let me match up to a more boy and area you know Kotoko training now on balance the equations. But you call the positives in the game. The first positive then I realize it from the game Asante Kotoko keeping a clean sheet, and this is a positive because Ghana Premier League now. Kumasi Asante Kotoko about 3 matches I conceded 3 goals, meaning 1 goal per game with just 1 clean sheet. This is a friendly game and you cannot compare how competitive Namoro tier to the Premier League team Heart of Lions and all the other teams are got Konyomobo, Karela and Bebian Gold Stars. But imagine saying commercial 3 goals against Kotoko and Quebec and so if Kotoko has been able to keep a clean sheet, he also said for that, and that is positive. What share Kotoko pre-season encounters Kotoko and consider go against Future, man consider go against Swatre, against Park, against Asakem. Kotoko and consider go. But the starting league, Heart of Lions so people clean sheets, but the rest now Kotoko Gold Stars 2 and a Karela 1. So make people clean sheet. With goalkeeper Moise Poitier, it means that you have another goalkeeper. So say Frederick Kasaria, Debbie Dala, the baby, and then Poitier Dema, wait me keep a clean sheet, and that's the first positive thing from the game. The second positive thing is obviously 1 10 hour TMA when which is Kotoko scoring 4 goals. Goal scoring has been a problem for Kotoko throughout the preseason till now. So here preseason now Kotoko carries 1 goal, Eric Zeze. And I could be in the name against Cornerstones or share 5. But from that, the next match of boy against Team FN Asakem, 1 goal, and I could share. Kotoko Park 9-0-0. Kotoko Future Stars no share 1. Kotoko Swatre mine 1 Timmy and Shebi. Then we real league in Wabo Heart of Lions went me and Shebi. No Akako bought a Gold Stars was share 1. No I bought a Team FN Karela was share 1. So you realize that goal scoring is not really something because Kotoko scoring boot, In the Premier League, 3 matches Kotoko share 2 goals. So if you play a friendly game, yes, it is a friendly game. I will still emphasize on that. But I was happy that team Nitiminya 4. In my second Kotoko ball Namoro no answer and sha. The story that being the goal scoring problem of Asante Kotoko continues even against a second division club. So let's put that on record. It's a positive one for Asante Kotoko to score 4 goals against Namoro, and positive one for her many AJ, and that is the second positive. Now the third positive thing, the confidence of Kalu Ouattara. And now Ouattara shared 2 goals out of the 4, and player moved from Brekum Chelsea to Asante Kotoko. First game, he started from the bench. Then second game, when you're a big boy. In the third game, one kicking ball. So it looks like Onyenya, that smooth start our Asante Kotoko. 2 matches, our bono on share go. And Utimu said, a slow start for Kalu Ouattara. It is our first match with free bench back. Second match, you must start here. It is expected that, but as you two coach now, the third game you would start again. But third game you go to the bench, you don't even make an appearance from the bench. It means something is wrong. But for you to play a friendly game and do everything possible to get 2 goals, he scored another one which was declared an offside. We said 2 goals are a built one casa play and the confidence, because there are so many people who will analyze Kalu Ouattara at the end of the season. There will be a comparison which is expected. Say players on Mukoye, Samuel Boateng, Solomon Safute, Lamont, the other players that Kotoko Mokoye. Definitely there will be that analysis to check whether these players, Kalu Ouattara, has performed better than them. So the pressure of Kotoko, you cannot compare it to pressure of Brekum Chelsea. So whether it's a friendly game or not, if you're able to get a goal, it boosts your self-confidence. Emma one kasa unye GDA in yourself moving forward. And that was the second thing Emma manage, the confidence of Kalu Ouattara getting that brace. It pushes you. Emma what me tell coach say you are a suitable option when the coach decides or set the face of his attack in competitive gamer. So Yambo Kalu Ouattara Abaso, and that is the third positive. The fourth positive is the return of Justice Blay. After Kotoko, any second boy, Justice Blay ain't means game because of injury. Blay has not played for Kotoko from that game. Last week, Mekachi also called training, not running, and it was expected said this week Blay back kick ball. Fortunately, Blay played the entire minutes, and this time he played at defense or boy the center back position. I'm not really interested in position or boy. I'm just happy that he is back to manage affairs for Kotoko, to be that option for Asante Kotoko when the going gets tough. Excellent for news for Justice Blay. I mean, I'll tell you, say his commanding abilities, how physical his ability to win the key battles in the matches, an asset that Asante Kotoko have been lacking in most of our matches. So if he is back and he's doing that, that is one positive thing that will be recorded our game. The other one, options. Say Utiminya another team bought Premier League game. Now it's saying that for someone bought another Premier League game. No one to turn your mama. At the NGA actually team options. And now John Tedekube, Nicolas Osebo is a free Augustine a Japan boy. We have a back line of Sheikh Mohammed Dawouni, Justice Blay, Lam boy, a different front attack boy. So it shows that the Asante Kotoko team have enough options to play and play well in their matches, and that will be the key observation. But the other one, Bernard Sumwa and Nicolas Mensah were the exploit from the bench. That is my a positive one. Bernard Sumwa had an excellent preseason, but starting league, now and from Kakramano. He started the first game, second game when but third game he came from the bench. But I know if he bench, Bashir go for Kotoko, and he had an excellent game. Again, Nicolas Mensah is under suspension, but clearly we share training all year. Now friendly matches are Kotoko. But the time you have a chance on the bono, which moves a branch and a bony. And that is one positive. By February, the second run after AFCON, it's expected that Nicholas Mensah who serve the suspension every. And anytime I look at how he operates, the kind of confidence, support Kotoko despite his suspension, and they say by the second round, Kotoko have an asset, a transfer, which we need the Omakoto, but they play on it tonight, chain active philosophy, all prepping home, waiting to come in the second round and get the job done for Asante Kotoko. So these are my 6 key observations. A positive ones, and that one, the clean sheet, 4 goals scored, Kalu's confidence, the return of Blay, options in terms of team, because this was the second team party, Japan, Nicolas Osebonsu, Dawuni Yaya Sharif Mohammed, a second team, and they got the job done. And the last one is Bernard Sumwa and Nicolas from the bench. But additional one, I'm Richmond Opoku Dembele, and boy never boy and never saw any pay, and everybody was pleased. Said the kind of scouting I could quiet along the line. Said Dawuni Rocky Dramane team Mura along the line. Richmond Opoku team Mura. They will prove to all Asante Kotoko fans that indeed the signing now Kotoko from Karius and Amas, they are top potentials, and I believe they will deliver whenever they get the opportunity. This is Sober TV. Yeah, my Kasani. Until we meet again, adios, bye bye.